This video is going to walk you through how to update student IDs on Crowdmark. This might be helpful if you are wanting to use Crowdmark's automatic matching, which requires numeric only student IDs. So if you wanted to customize the student IDs so that they have a numbers-based IDs to use automatic matching, you can go ahead and do that by selecting the course. On the left-hand side, you'll want to select course students. If you've used the LMS to import the student list, what I would suggest is selecting to sync with the LMS just to make sure that your student roster is all up to date and that each of your students is connected back to the LMS. Once you've done that, we can go ahead and update our student list by uploading a CSV with the student ID information. So you can see here that the student IDs currently include letters as well as numbers here. So we want to update this so that the student ID just includes numbers. So we'll select Update Students here, upload a CSV file, and from here, what you'll see is my CSV has a student ID number with these letter number combos, but also a customized student ID here. So what I want to do is actually ignore this information and make sure that Crowdmark pulls in the customized student IDs as the student ID numbers here, and then click Continue. And save. So you'll see that that list has now updated and all of those are now numbers-based IDs. And then when you go ahead and you're creating your administered assessment, when you're choosing to enable automatic matching, you can actually customize the label for student IDs so that students know what ID they need to be uploading.